How to remove WhatsApp video call, record video note. Hey everyone! In today's quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove the new record video note option that recently started appearing in WhatsApp video calls. If this feature suddenly showed up on your phone and you don't want it there, don't worry, I'll walk you through a simple fix that works instantly. Alright, let's get started. First, go to your home screen and long press on the WhatsApp app. A small menu will pop up. Now tap on App Info, or the little eye icon depending on your phone. Next, tap on Storage and Cache. Here's the important part. Tap Clear Data, then choose Clear Cache, and confirm this removes temporary files that might be causing the feature to show up incorrectly. And don't worry, it won't delete your chats or media. After clearing the cache, go back to the previous screen and tap Force Stop. Then confirm by tapping OK. This fully refreshes the app in the background. Now return to your home screen and open WhatsApp again. Go into any conversation and check. The record video note option should now be gone. And that's it. You've successfully removed the video note option from WhatsApp with just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick and easy tech fixes.